Joypur forest, Bankura. In morning about 6:37 a.m. we had started our journey. We were 9 bikers and we had 5 bikes along with us. After around 110 kilometers, we have reached at the gate of the jungle. You can see over here, there is a famous resort named Bonolota. Including that particular resort, there are many other hotels over there where you can have some food or some refreshments. After that, we are moving towards inside of that jungle. We're about to enter deep into the forest. Both the sides we could see Shal forest, and between them there was Black Peach Road. Just beside this road there was a canal. We were coming in winter, but if you were coming in rainy season, I can say that you can find water in this particular canal. Oh yes, there was a train track inside of the jungle. When we are going deep into the forest, the peach were done and the red road was started. Please enjoy some drone shots. Those who are coming from Kolkata, the distance from Kolkata is about 140-150 kilometers. You can stay in Bonolota resort at night if you are coming to this location and if you are planning for night stay. We had to leave this particular location by the evening because it was a one day of tour. Well, we did not come here because of only the forest tour. We had came over here because of revealing some history. Yes, my friend, this is an abandoned airspace which was built in the time of Second World War in 1939. Can you believe this whole aerospace was made up of concrete, and the bombard planes B-29 Avro 863 had landed on this location. It's really mesmerizing. You cannot even believe the length of this particular aerospace is extremely huge, and the quality of concrete was too good, so the jungle could not be able to cover the whole area till now. It's about 80-82 years back. Those who want to come on this place, please do ask to those local people about Chatal, because this particular place is famous as Chatal as it is made up of concrete. As you can see, when we were moving in the road, it was too deep that sunlight couldn't even came properly. This was our whole journey, so we were about to leave this place and moving towards our home. It's a request, my friend, if you are coming to this place or if you are coming to any other places, please try to keep it clean, as if we respect our mother nature, our history, it will respect us. Thank you.